s.a.w wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Click to subscribe, believing beings, and press the bell icon to get notified about new videos.
These letters from Muhammad, Messenger of God, to the rulers of the world, call the world to Islam.
Muhammad, Messenger of God. Who gave him this authority?
God sent Muhammad as a mercy to mankind.
La wallat wal uzza.
كل من عليها فان ويبقى وجه ربك ذو الجلال والإكرام فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum
My name is Jahidul Islam. I'm from Bangladesh. I would like to ask you that you mentioned before that you are working on a movie. So my question is, does Islamic movie can be a medium of dawah, or it is halal to create an Islamic movie?
The brother asked a question that he might have heard in some of my speeches, not today, before, that I'm working on an Islamic movie. So can you have an Islamic movie which halal? It is possible, but very difficult. If it's an Islamic movie following the Quran and Sunnah, number one, they should see to it that it follows the rules of the Sharia. And if you strictly follow, then but naturally there should not be any music. Number one. Number two, but naturally you can't have females acting in that, because that's against, even if they are wearing hijab, you see a lady on the screen, so that breaks the purpose of hijab. So if you follow the rules, it's possible but very difficult. So if you ask me, are there any Islamic movies available? There are some, but very few. And the good quality ones are there, but they haven't followed all the rules of the Islamic Sharia. For example, the best movie that I know, the so-called Islamic movie that has been produced so far, it is The Message, made by Mustafa Akkad, in which Anthony Quinn was one of the lead roles. He acted like one of the uncles of Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. They never showed the photo of Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, alhamdulillah, which is perfectly fine. They did not show the image of any of the four Khulafa Rashidin, but they did show the images of certain Sahabas, which is objectionable. But amongst the so-called Islamic movies, that was made the best.
Muhammad is a liar.
Liar. Where's the lie and where's the truth? When it hasn't been spoken yet.
These are Arabs who have betrayed the religion of their fathers. They follow a lunatic they call a prophet.
Who's stronger now? Your master or this one God of yours?
You could swear the slave was preaching.
To this inhumanity has come a man whom God chose. And in that we believe.
These letters from Muhammad, Messenger of God, to the rulers of the world, call the world to Islam.
Muhammad, Messenger of God. Who gave him this authority?
God sent Muhammad as a mercy to mankind.
We'll do now what we should have done before. Kill Muhammad.
Ali, his cousin, lay there to die for him. Who are we fighting?
They are led by greed. We are led by God.
When you are dead, Hamza, I will cut your heart out. Taste your blood.
These are the disciplines the Prophet puts upon you. You may not harm a woman, a child, or any old person. Strike only at those who have expelled you, who have stolen your rights and enriched themselves with your possessions.
Then you have the Omar series, which is a 30 series made by BBC, funded by the Qatar Foundation. That's also beautiful. Again, there is music in it, but it is not obscene movie. So amongst the so-called Islamic movie, which is breaking the Islamic principle, but less as compared to others, would be these. They don't show anything which is obscene, but yet it is breaking the Islamic.
والأرض وضعها للأنام فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام والحب ذو العصف والريحان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان خلق الإنسان من صلصال كالفخار وخلق الجان من مارج من نار
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان رب المشرقين ورب المغربين فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
لا واللات والعزى.
كل من عليها فان ويبقى وجه ربك ذو الجلال والإكرام فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان يسأله من في السماوات والأرض كل يوم هو في شأن فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
And I, as a person, when I do something, I don't believe in 90% Islamic or 95%. If I do something, I believe 100%, I don't do it. So we were at a time, I was thinking whether we should make or not, and I was thinking of making a movie on Imam Bukhari. I want to take a personality which is accepted by all the sects of Islam, the Ahl Sunnah wal Jamaat. So I thought that Bukhari would be a good one because he is revered by Hanafi, Shafi, Hanbali, Malki, mashallah, and Salafi. So there was at one time, but now we have got better projects and important projects. So I don't think so I'll be going for that project.
Thank
Hope
you,
that answers the question.
Thank you.